Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus exercise 3rd chapter algebra exercise 3.4. Already one subdivision I have completed, reducing the rational expressions in its lowest form. That is the thing already I have completed first subdivision. Now this is the I am going to do second subdivision. So before going into the second subdivision, we need to know about excluded values. So what are excluded values? A value that makes a rational expression in its lowest form. Rational expression in its lowest form, undefined, is called an excluded value. For example, that is if we have two rational expressions, p of x, q of x. So if q of x is equal to 0, that means for example 5 by x minus 1. To find the value of that, excluded value, we have to equate the denominator of the rational expression to 0. If we equate it to 0, whatever x value that has to be excluded, that we will get it. For example, 5 by x minus 10. So we have to take the denominator and equate it to 0. So what is the denominator? Denominator is x minus 10. So if we equate x minus 10 to 0, what we will get? We will get x is equal to 10. So the excluded value of this rational expression is 10. So ultimately the denominator, if we are equating it, if we have a quadratic expression, we will get two values for that. So both the values will be the excluded values. If we have a cubic polynomial, if we have three values we will get for x. So all the three values will be excluded. Now we will see the exercise sum. Okay. Now second sum, it is based on that excluded values. Okay. So find the excluded values if any of the following expression. So first one is y by y squared minus 25. So y by y squared minus 25. So this is of the form a squared minus b squared. B squared we can write it as 5 squared. So this is equal to y by, so we can write this as 5 squared. So y plus 5 and y minus 5 is undefined when y plus 5 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. That is, y is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 5 are the excluded values. That's all. Are the excluded values. This is the thing we are asked to find. That's all. Then second sum is t by t squared minus 5t plus 6. So the same thing we will write. T by t squared minus 5t plus 6 is equal to, is undefined when t squared minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. So here this is a quadratic equation. So 3 and 2 we will take. Okay, so t squared, 2t, 3t. When we multiply 3 and 2, we will get 6. When we add it, we will get 5. Plus 6 is equal to 0. So t into t minus 2. So t minus 2 means minus 3. So t minus 2 and t minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, excluded values are t is equal to 2 and t is equal to 3. Okay. Now third sum, x squared plus 6x plus 8 by x squared plus x minus 2. So we are asked to find the excluded value. So first we need to find the reduced form of this we need to find. Then after that q of x, that is the denominator, if we equate it to 0, whatever x values we are getting, that is the excluded value. Okay. So for in the both numerator and denominator we are having quadratic polynomial. So we will get two values. if there is any possibility to reduce it, first we need to reduce, then we will find the excluded value. So for the first one, x squared plus 6x plus 8. By splitting the middle terms, if we split the middle term, it will be 4 and 2. So 2 and 4. So if we write like this, 2 4s are 8, plus 2 and plus 4, we will get plus 6. So the factors will be, here x plus 2 we will get, so here plus 4. So the factors are x plus 4 and x plus 2. So these are the factors. Then for the denominator, x squared plus x minus 2. So for this one, we need to get, when we multiply 2 we need to get, when we add we have to get 1. So x squared, x, 2x minus 2. So 2 ones are 2, but here negative sign is there. But for this addition symbol, when we add we need to get plus. So bigger number sign should be plus. So 2 ones are 2, minus 2. Then plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So this is equal to x into x minus 1. X into x minus 1. Then if we need x minus 1, it is plus 2. So 2x minus 2. So this is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 1. Now we got the factors. We will substitute it. We will reduce it. Reduce the given factors. Plus 8 divided by x squared plus x minus 2. So this is equal to x plus 4 into x plus 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator x plus 2 into x minus 1. So the denominator is undefined when. So we got the factors is undefined when. So now for finding this excluded value, first thing is it has to be in the reduced form. So x plus 2 and x plus 2 will get cancelled. So in the denominator we are having only x minus 1. In the previous two sums, only a single variable was there in the sum. So we didn't bother about the numerator. But here square term is there. If there is any possibility to make it as a reduced term, we need to check that one. So when we checked, we got a common factor x plus 2 in both the numerator and denominator. So we have cancelled that. Okay. So it's undefined when x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1 is there, that is the excluded value for the given thing. Okay. Then the next one here is x cube minus 27 by x cube minus x minus 6x. So here we can, in the numerator also, cubic polynomial is there. So we will check that also. X cube minus 3 cube. So this is of the form a cube minus b cube formula. Denominator x. Here in all the terms I am taking x as common. So the remaining is x squared plus x minus 6. Now, so x minus 3 into, this is of the form a cube minus b cube. So a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. This is for the numerator. The denominator is x into x squared plus x minus 6. So now we will find the factors of this denominator, x squared plus x minus 6. So the factors of that is, only for that we will find the factors. X squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 3 2s are 6 we can take. So 3 2s are 6 if we take, we will check that. 3, 2 3s are, so 3 2s are 6 and then bigger number sign is plus. So 3 2s are 6. Unlike sign, so negative sign. When we subtract this, bigger number sign is plus. So this is equal to x into x minus 2. So x minus 2 if we need, it is plus 3. So the factors are x plus 3 and x minus 2. Okay, x plus 3 and x minus 2 for the denominator. So there is no possibility for us to reduce it into lowest terms. So these are the two factors we got for the numerator. The denominator we got x. x plus 3 and x minus 2 only. So, there is nothing to simplify. So, the denominator x plus 3 and x minus 2, that is the x values will be minus 3 plus 2 and 0. These are the x values. So, if we are writing this, my x minus 3 into x squared plus 3x plus 9 divided by x into x plus 3 into x minus 2 is undefined when x plus 3 x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2. So these are the three x values to be excluded. Okay, understood? So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.